Hello guys, so I'm welcoming on a technical Krish, and as you guys are facing some types of problems in like these types of problems, so we came with the solution. Just as you can written here this device isn't play protected and all these things. So you need to go first of all in the Play Store, and then just we are trying to sign in, and as you can see that's a buffering, and we are still waiting for it. And as you can say that we are not able to find the solution, and this device is not certified is written, and we are just trying again on the Google Play Store, and seeing what's happened guys. Or as you can see that it's still not working, so we are just going to the menu, and then we are going to on the settings to just check our updates, if there is any updates or not. Like sometimes we are also facing these types of problems due to the updates, so we are just clicking on it, and we are just checking for the updates, if is there any update or not. So as you can see that there is nothing update, and now we are just going on the GitHubs, and we will provide the links of device ID on your Telegram, because you will not be able to find these types of application. So stay tuned with on our Telegram. We are just providing a more content like this. So we are just going to for installing per se, and we just click on the install, and as you consider above, it's already written that the device is unprotected, play protected, and you consider it's opened, installed now, and we are just going to back, and you consider we are copying it, you need to copy it, and then we are just going to the home page, and then you can just go and open your any browser, other browsers, and we are cutting it, and then you can search a www www.google slash android slash uncertified, and you need to search like this, as you can see on our screen, we are searching it, and as you can see, and then there is a option on the sign in and all these things. So you need to, for the registration purposes, and you need to click on the not now, and we are just scrolling down, and you need to go for the Google services, and you need to copy it, paste here as you are copied previously, and then you need to click on the I'm not a robot, and then you just need to click on the register, and as you guys can see that it's registered now. So we are going to on our home page, and we are going on our Play Store, and we are just trying to sign in. Let's see what's happening. As you consider it's not working properly now, so we are just going to check in our Play Store, and we are going to clear all the caches, because it may contain some viruses, so it's happened sometimes. And you need to press your you need to put your phone, and it may take a few minutes to just open it, so you need to wait for it, and we are still waiting for it. And as you can see that our device is finally now opening, and as you guys can see that it's opening now, and we are just writing my password. You can just open it and just we are going to see it's working or not. So as you guys consider our it's already written like that. So we are just trying to click in, and we just you just need to close, and then we are just going to home page, and then you need to open your Play Store, and we are just trying to sign in, and we are waiting what's happening now. Okay, so it's working now. So this device is uncertified. You need to click on this link, or click on this link, and as it's showing that something went wrong, go back and try again. So as you can see that finally it's working. So you need to just go in the Play Store, and just click on the sign. So we are just going and click on the sign in, and let's see what's happening guys. It may take a few seconds. It's working now. So you can just write your email, it's working now. So You can just try to remember the verification and all the things you, as you can say on our screen. It's working, and you need to go for all the process like I agree and all these things. You need to just complete your, as you can complete your formality and all these things. So accept it like Google services information and all these things. So thank you so much guys for having with us. Just stay tuned with our channel. We will provide you more content like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We will meet you soon.